Apple is one of the greatest tech industries known. They've been dominating the market with their successful releases from iPhone to MacBook, Apple Watch and AirPod. But entering into the world of virtual reality is a whole new game for Apple. This might be one of Apple's toughest challenges. Why? Picture Apple's rumored VR headset as the ultimate blockbuster movie of the year. The trailers have been teasing us with epic visuals, heart-pounding action, and mind-bending twists. But just when we're about to grab our popcorn and settle into our seats, there's a sudden realization. This movie ticket comes with a price that could rival a luxury vacation. It's like standing at the entrance of a thrilling roller coaster, but the admission fee might make your wallet scream louder than the loops and drops. Apple is known for its premium pricing strategy, and while that works for their regular products, entering the VR world with a high price tag might keep many of us away. VR has been a race, and companies like Oculus and HTC zoomed ahead like Usain Bolt, leaving their competitors gasping for breath. Now, Apple wants to join the race, but it's like hopping onto the track when everyone else has already finished. It's a tough challenge to catch up with the early leaders. And let's talk power, the lifeblood of VR. VR headsets need a lot of energy, like a thirsty camel in the desert. Apple's VR headset might require specific hardware, including the latest Mac. It's like asking your grandma to run a marathon in high heels. Only a small group of Apple users with the newest high-end hardware will be able to experience this VR adventure, while the rest of us feel like we're stuck in a black and white movie. Let's not forget gaming. VR and gaming go together like peanut butter and jelly, right? Well, it's more like VR and gaming go together like peanut butter and vegetables. Macs, known for their sleek designs and creative capabilities, aren't exactly the first choice for gaming. So, developers might be wondering if they should spend time and effort on making games for a Mac-based VR headset. So, as we step back and look at the bigger picture, Apple's VR headset faces an uphill battle, like a hiker climbing Mount Everest in sandals. Most people might not find this risky and expensive venture as appealing as Apple hopes. Unless Apple can find a way to overcome the challenges of price, hardware limitations, and gaming compatibility, this VR dream might just remain a daydream for Apple. Thanks for joining me on this exciting VR adventure. If you found this video entertaining and informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you can stay updated with more thrilling tech content. Until next time, keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.